Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Okay, so this is our statice seedlings, and these are the original ones, and as you can see, they're starting to get their true leaves. So we're actually going to be feeding them today. I'm going to use the Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food, and we'll take a 1/4 teaspoon of the Miracle-Gro and we'll mix it in a gallon of water, and we want to make sure that our water is at room temperature because we don't want to chill our seedlings and we don't want to shock them. And I also have the ones over here that I had transplanted out of here, so I'm going to show you those next. Okay, so these are the ones that we pricked out from the other container, and I planted them in here. You can see they're starting to get their true leaves, some of them. So we're going to actually be feeding the ones that are getting their true leaves, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I got my plant food here. I have it in a little container here, and I do wear gloves when I work with plant foods because I just don't want the chemicals on my hands. And these are moist. You never want to feed a dry plant. You will burn the root system, and we don't want to do that. So I'm just taking an eyedropper and going around these. You could use like a turkey baster, or if you had like a small enough container, you could pour some in. You could pour some like on the soil. Now, statice seeds, when they germinate for you, when you get like your seedlings and they come up and they start getting their true leaves, they are actually going to look like a weed because their leaves are like really fuzzy, and it just sort of reminds you of like some type of thistle plant. Now, it's not jaggy. They're not jaggy. It's just the characteristics of the plant itself for the leaf texture. And one of the reasons why it's so important to feed your seedlings with something is because you want to establish a good root system. The root system is what makes the plant. It's what helps the plant take up nutrients. It helps the plant to grow strong. When you just do like a foliar feeding or something like that, it's not going to put it into the root system. So you want a nice strong root system for nice strong plants. And that's why I stress saying that it's so important to feed your seedlings. So we got these all fed here, and I'm going to feed the other ones over here. And if you have any questions, you can leave them below. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.